Hello students, so what we're going to be working on today is a Webquest to improve your understanding of the weather in Spanish. And then what we're going to be doing is a final project in which you will be filming a newscast. So here is the website for the Webquest that was created, and when you first get there, the first thing that you will see is the introduction, and this just explains a little bit about why we are doing this project. If you scroll to the very bottom, you can see the standards right here that we are trying to complete. The next link is the task page. And this explains in more detail about what exactly you will be doing for this project. You will be working with another student to complete this Webquest, and then you will also be paired into a group of 4 people total to create a newscast, which you will be performing in front of the class for 2 to 5 minutes. And so this explains exactly about what you'll be doing for the newscast and some of the things that you need to include for it. The next page is the vocabulary. And what you can do is you can either download the Google document right here, or here is the same Google document, which would be what you would download. And if you scroll down, it has all the vocabulary words that you'll need to know for the unit. So you can access this website at home and use this to study, or you can use it for your project. The next page is the process page, and this tells you step by step what you'll be doing. So the first step is you will be going to AccuWeather's website and be looking up the city or country in which you are doing your newscast on and finding out what the forecast is for the week. Next, you will be doing step 2, which you will be going to Mrs. K's Quizlet account, and then you will be reviewing some of the vocabulary and playing some of the games there. And then step 3, you're going to watch a short little video. It's about 2 minutes called ¿Qué tiempo hace hoy? And it's quite humorous and catchy, and it just kind of tells you more about the vocabulary, and then it'll tell you exactly what you need to do, but you'll need to write down 5 phrases used in the video on a sheet of paper. And then next you'll be going to a Spanish proficiency video, and this is just a video of a lady talking about what the weather is like in Granada. And just as the previous step, you're going to be needing to write down a few sentences about what the weather is like. And then the final step is a short quiz. It's about 6 questions, and you need to make sure that you fill it out accurately because your teacher will be able to access this information and then give you a grade for it, and then make sure you click done at the very end. That's very important. And then the next page is the evaluation page. And this includes a rubric which explains how this assignment will be graded. The assignment will be graded based on the Webquest, which you're doing today, the visual aid, the pronunciation of your forecast, the forecast vocabulary that you use, and the content that you use. So make sure you check back on that throughout this entire assignment to know what you need to have completed for each step. And then lastly, we have the conclusion, and this is just wrapping everything up and talking about what you learned. And then it has the credits page in case some of the links aren't working, or if you want to check up on that or anything like that. So if you have any questions, please talk to Mrs. K, and that should be it.